life is a continuum.
Dakle, život je jedan slijed događaja, kontinuirani slijed.
Though we might think there are different stages.
Iako mislimo da možda ima različitih faza,
We are young,
prvo smo mladi,
maybe not so young,
onda više nismo tako mladi,
and becoming older.
onda postajemo stariji.
But that doesn't have to be bad.
Ali to ne mora biti loše.
We can do a lot along the way to keep healthy.
Putem možemo puno toga učiniti da ostanemo zdravi.
When our children are young, they're growing very fast and they're trying to get mentally smart.
Dok naša djeca rastu, jako brzo rastu i pokušavaju razviti svoj um.
They have so much pressure on them at school today.
Na njima je jako puno stresa u školi danas.
And we as parents, when we have children of school age, we have so much pressure to keep optimal levels of energy and vitality.
A mi kao roditelji školske djece želimo održati optimalne razine energije i vitalnosti.
And it's so hard to keep healthy, to keep our weight down, not to get overly stressed.
A zaista je teško držati težinu pod kontrolom i pokušati ne biti pod stresom.
We're really living life in the fast lane.
Zašto živimo velikom brzinom?
And even as we get older,
dok starimo,
some of us are taking care of our children's children.
Neki se brinu o djeci svoje djece.
Sometimes we may be retired,
Kad smo mirovini,
but we have less time than ever before.
Ali manje vremena nego ikad prije.
Because it's just the way the world is today.
Jer takav je svijet danas.
Our needs are, the pressures on all of us are different.
Pritisak na sve nas je drugčiji nego prije.
And whatever our age, we seem to be living life in the fast lane.
I bez obzira koja je naša dob, čini se da živimo jako brzi tempo.
But it's not impossible with the right nutrition and the right lifestyle to keep a high quality of life for very many years.
Ali uz dobru prehranu nije teško i nemoguće držati dobru prehranu cijeli život i dobro zdravlje.
And at GNLD we know that optimal nutrition means optimal health.
A u GNLD-u mi znamo da optimalna prehrana znači optimalno zdravlje.
GNLD is a company that has been around for many years.
GNLD je tvrtka koja je prisutna na tržištu puno godina.
Now you heard that from Marka.
To ste čuli već od Marka.
In 1958 in this region.
U ovoj regiji 1958.
And one of the very basic, let's say the very scientific understanding of nutrition was many years ago as based upon cellular nutrition.
A znanstveni temelj naše načelo je stanična prehrana.
And the fact that to keep our bodies healthy,
I činjenica da bismo zadržali naša tijela zdravima,
all the cells in our body have to have the right kind of nutrition.
sve stanice u našem tijelu moraju imati dobru prehranu.
The food we eat contains a balance of all these nutrients.
Hrana koju jedemo sadrži uravnotežene količine svih ovih tvari.
Also we need things called enzymes that help us digest our food.
Također su nam potrebni enzimi za progutanje ovih tvari.
GNLD understood this from many years ago. Dr. Arthur First.
Dr. Arthur First je ovo shvatio prije puno godina.
Had a very advanced understanding about nutrition.
Imao je zaista napredno shvaćanje vezano uz prehranu.
And about the way all nutrients work together to keep us healthy.
I o načinu na koji svi nutrijenti surađuju kako bi nas održali zdravi.
And there was the understanding that it's not just about the diet we eat being important.
Dakle, nije važna samo naša prehrana.
It's the quality of the diet.
To je kvaliteta naše prehrane.
So it's the nutrition that our cells are receiving.
To je prehrana koju naše stanice dobivaju.
The food that we eat, it has to be actually digested and to reach our cells.
Hrana koju jedemo mora biti probljena da bi došla do naših stanica.
To keep our cells healthy, to deliver the energy.
Kako bi one ostale zdrave, kako bi do njih došla energija.
And we then have to get rid of cellular waste products.
Nakon toga moramo se riješiti otpadnih tvari iz naših stanica.
We have to eliminate the toxins from our body to keep healthy.
Moramo eliminirati toksine iz našeg tijela kako bismo ostali zdravi.
Otherwise we're going to feel tired.
Ako to ne učinimo, bit ćemo umorni.
Now GNLD nutritional products were always formulated with the idea of delivering the nutrients to the cell.
Svi proizvodi GNLD-a baziraju se na temeljno znači, a negdje treba doći do stanice.
One of the very oldest products of GNLD, the 3NN,
3NN, kao jedan od najstarijih proizvoda GNLD-a,
was formed. The idea was born because it was recognized that industrial processing was making our food empty of nutrients.
Rođen je na saznanju da industrijskom obradom naše prehrane, naših namirnica, njima nedostaje dovoljno hranjivih tvari.
And so GNLD scientists put together a product which brings the missing nutrients into a convenient form.
Tako su GNLD-ovi znanstvenici osmislili proizvod u kojem nutrijenti u zgodnoj formi dolaze do vaših stanica.
Products you see like 3NN,
proizvodi koje vidite ovdje kao 3NN,
which contain fantastic nutrients from whole grains.
Sadrže fantastične hranjive tvari iz cjelovitih sastojaka.
The science behind this product is as strong today as it ever was.
Znanost koja stoji iza proizvoda je jednako jaka i sada kao i prije.
And it's even more needed. These kind of products are even more necessary to our health.
A ovakvi proizvodi su još potrebniji nego prije.
Because industrial processed foods are more and more present
Jer je
in our
industrijski
lives.
obrađena hrana je sve prisutnija u našem životu.
We are starting to see now the consequences, the very, very great consequences of having a diet with too many processed foods.
Danas vidimo ozbiljne posljedice prehrane koje je puno industrijski obrađenih sastojaka.
Industrial processing is taking out the nutrition.
Industrijska obrada eliminira hranjive dijelove tih naših namirnica.
So the white bread and the white flour,
Tako bijeli kruh i bijelo brašno
containing none of those valuable grain concentrates that you find in 3NN.
ne sadrže koncentrate žitarica koje vi nalazite u 3NN.
These products, the industrial products, are cheap and convenient.
A industrijski obrađeni proizvodi su jeftini i lako ih je nabaviti.
And for the last 50 years, industry has been making a lot of money from processed foods.
Industrija zaista zarađuje na industrijski obrađenim namirnicama u zadnjih 50 godina.
But our diets have suffered, and now our health is suffering.
Naša prehrana je zbog toga patila, sad pati naše zdravlje.
Because our diets have become lacking in the very diversity of natural nutrients.
Gdje naše prehrani nedostaje raznolikost hranjivih tvari.
Now, this is not GNLD saying this. All over the world there is a crisis.
GNLD nije jedini koji to govori, diljem svijeta postoji kriza.
The World Health Organization has made these reports and these observations.
Svjetska zdravstvena organizacija je izradila ove izvještaje i donijela podatke.
So in every continent of the world, people are dying before they should be.
I u svakom kontinentu ljudi umiru prije nego što bi trebalo.
From what we call chronic conditions.
Od kroničnih stanja.
Chronic conditions which are due to our lifestyle, and a very big part of that is our food.
Kronička stanja ili bolesti su posljedica našeg života, stila života. A naša prehrana je važan dio toga.
So cardiovascular, heart health problems, number one killer.
Prvi ubojica, to je razlog smrti, su kardiovaskularne bolesti.
And in many countries, cancer is catching up.
A u mnogim državama rak postaje jednako zastupljen uzrok smrti.
And threatens to become number one killer.
I prijeti da će postati prvi uzrok smrti.
And we know in every continent of the world that diabetes type 2 is on the increase.
I znamo da se u svakom dijelu svijeta raste prisutnost dijabetesa drugog tipa.
Now, there is a very strong link between bad nutrition and these chronic conditions.
Postoji zaista čvrsta veza između loše prehrane i ovih stanja koje smo opisali.
And the same principles in nutrition are protective, and the same nutrients protect us from all of these conditions.
A sve hranjive tvari, iste hranjive tvari nas štite od svih ovih stanja.
And of course, leading an active lifestyle, doing sport, being physically active is very important.
Također je vrlo važno biti tjelesno aktivan, baviti se sportom.
That helps us keep our weight down.
Tako smanjujemo i kontroliramo svoju težinu.
There's a very strong link between overweight and the development of these conditions.
Postoji zaista čvrsta veza između pretilosti i ovih stanja opisanih.
So the facts are very, very clear.
Činjenice su dakle vrlo jasne.
And we need to start acting on this information.
Moramo se početi ponašati prema ovim informacijama.
We really need to pay more attention to the quality of our diet.
Zaista moramo više paziti na kvalitetu naše prehrane.
So that our cells get the right nutrition.
Tako da naše stanice dobiju pravilne, ispravne hranjive tvari.
So the problem and the solution are both within the food that we are eating.
I problem i rješenje su dakle o hrani koju jedemo.
Of course, lifestyle, it's very easy to have this lifestyle and not to change things.
Naravno, vrlo jednostavno imati isti životni stil i ne promijeniti ništa.
But we do need to make sure that we try to improve a little bit every day.
Ali zaista se trebamo potruditi da poboljšamo malo po malo nešto